think has pushed oil to these 4-month lows, despite the fact that OPEC has literally just rolled over those production curbs?
Thanks for having me, Dan. The first question to be asked is, are we in an oversupplied market or are we in an undersupplied market? And it really depends on where you want to look to get the answer. If you look at the latest price movement, you are under the impression that we are in an oversupplied market. However, if you look at the supply restraints and the reroute of dynamics in the global energy supplies, you would clearly understand that this market is definitely not in a surplus. And so if it really depends on where you want to look, whether you're focusing on the supply picture or the demand picture to really tell how things are working out on the greater energy supply picture, as well as how demand is being incentivized to move forward and pick up from where it is today.
So Abdulaziz, help me understand the roadmap ahead, because OPEC has extended those supply curbs, but at the same time may have spooked the market here by outlining a plan to bring barrels back to the market. Do the sellers have this right, or are they reading OPEC wrong?
Well, it depends who the sellers are. I think there is a great deal of commodity trading advisors, CTAs, as well as algos, and the options market, which is a substantially large market of contracts that is influencing the latest price movement. If you look at every major OPEC Plus meeting that was held over the past 36 months, you would notice that following every meeting, there is a downward movement of prices. However, having said that, it's not only how the CTAs or the algos are working out. There is a sentiment maybe among traders of changing and repositioning their short versus their long positions. And that is how the price movement is actually giving these signals. I would say what the market is going through currently is going into an oversold, technically oversold market that is pushing the prices down. But these high-frequency price moves do not necessarily translate into how the low-frequency, long-range planning by OPEC Plus is happening. Let's keep in mind that OPEC Plus group gave itself plenty of time to monitor and observe how the supply and demand work out to make its next move, possibly after the September recharge or resupply, if that is the decision of putting more barrels in the market.